$3.39 per gallon. Good lord, that's a lot of money for some gas.
Cullen and Katie just vlogging away, showing us what's happening day to day. A fun-loving couple with lots to share. You're in for a treat, so best prepare. You'll laugh till you cry. Season in my pride, and data the sweet pie. So here we go, here we go. Here's the show.
Getting that gas. Look, guys, they actually got the thing, so I don't have to use chapstick. They actually, and that looks like it's been replaced, like it's a brand new one. Nice. I am going to one of my favorite places in Alabama for lunch. Everybody goes to Milo's. It is like this hamburger joint, and they put their own little special sauce on it. It is so good. Should I ask for any extra sauce? Like Bartle do or anything? No be do? Maybe not. Not today. All right, guys, another day, another dive practice. So I'm about to go in here and coach these little kids how to dive. Y'all have seen it all the time. Once I get into it and get on the boards, I'll take the camera back in there, but y'all have seen how it goes. I coach them, I make them bust, all that kind of stuff, and we get wet. That's what she said. Not really. We go Cadillac Suburban, driving, diving. Hey! All right, going to coach. Bye. Oh, look what I broke back out. It is the couch arm.
Yes, you did not.
Yes, I did. I'm back from diving, guys. Woo! Had a bunch of kids tonight. It was crazy talk town. And now I'm just chillaxing with my wife on the couch. This is what we do every night. I don't know why you want to watch this kind of crap, but if you want to, then that's fine with me. Tell them about the commercial you just saw.
Which one? Oh, the commercial, not the Dove thing.
And that.
That means that I need to hold the camera so you can play your game?
That's a segue into that.
Gosh. So there's just a really sweet commercial. And if you haven't seen it, it's got to be online somewhere. Like, I want to find it online and post it.
It's for a mattress company.
It was for Sealy mattresses, and it's just the sweetest commercial, and I cried both times I watched it, because it's just so sweet.
You cried when I wasn't here, and then you cried when I was here.
Yes, I did. Because it was just so sweet. It was like one of those family growing up family commercial. I don't know. I don't want to give it away, and then you watch it, and then you're like, oh, I already know what's happening.
Basically, a mattress flies off.
Don't tell them. They just need to watch it.
Google Sealy mattress commercial, or I'll leave a link to it below.
Cullen will try to find it. If he can't find it, then it'll say, ain't no link on this internet, and then there won't be a link.
Is that what it'll say?
That's what it'll put. But if there is a link, y'all should just go watch it and tell me I'm not crazy for thinking it's the sweetest thing ever. It really is the sweetest commercial.
It really is the
ever,
sweetest
though.
commercial.
It's sweet. I guess probably at this point that we're in our lives too, it kind of, touches our hearts because of where we are. Okay, this dog has an obsession with that treat ball, in case y'all didn't already know. And usually Cullen's the first one to get home from work, and he usually gives it to her when he gets home. And this dog will not let you out of her routine. Like, I came home today, and the only thing, y'all know Ada doesn't bark much. And the only thing he's taught her to, like, not bark obsessively, but she'll, like, Ada, hey, stop. She'll, like, like a little, she looked at me like, ooh, is that what I get to do? It's like a little bark for her treat ball. And so when I came home today, she went outside immediately, she got to pee, and she came back in and she started walking around, and she picked up the treat ball and brought it into the den and sat there and looked at me and went, and I was like,
seriously?
And so I said,
Well, come up on the couch and talk to me first.
and she bowed down with her butt in the air and looked at me and looked at the treat ball and looked at me and looked at the treat ball. I was like,
You are too smart for your own good.
I got her trained. I got do. I got to shave.
I mean, if somebody else came over here though, like to let our dogs out, they'd be like,
What is wrong with this dog? What do I do with that blue plastic ball?
Yeah, it looks like a mechanism from 2000. From the year 3000.
what was the other thing? Oh, and then Whitaker walked into the dining room and starts going, and he doesn't usually meow. Are you enjoying my animal sounds? He doesn't usually meow that much. And that's because when Cullen comes home, he always opens the window for him. And I was like,
You want your window open, buddy?
like, these kids know what their routine is, and they do it. And Emma just... all she does.
And Alley Cat every morning.
And then Alley Cat.
Oh, we gotta vlog that in the morning. Every morning the past month and a half, Alley Cat, whenever you get in the shower,
Well, it's
get out
been
of
like
the
3
shower,
months
she gets
she's
in
been
the
in it.
shower after you.
She gets in there and likes to lick the water out. And then when Cullen comes in, she's like obsessed with him. She's always, all her life, been obsessed with me being in the shower. Like when we used to live in, I had like the tub shower, you know, and you've got one shower curtain that's plastic inside and then a fabric one outside, and then you've got the tub in the middle. She would stand on the ledge of the tub in between the shower curtains, and then as soon as I'd get out, she wants to rub on my wet head, like my hair being wet. And I don't know why she'd be like soaking wet. She's a cat. She doesn't like water though. Like you can't just put her in water.
Oh yeah.
But so, you know, I'll rub her with my head for just a second, let her get some wet on her back, whatever. She's crazy. And then when Cullen comes in there, though, he gets out of the shower and she's all... Okay, now I've made sounds for all of them. Except
And she rubs on my beard.
She does. She's learned to jump up on this little chest thing we have that's probably 5 feet tall, and she jumps straight up there and gets up there and like rubs into Cullen's beard. It's so funny. She's just like, that's her routine. Just the morning time though. Like that's the only time that she does it. But anyway, so that's the pet update and what they like to do in their daily lives. It seems like I was going somewhere else with that though.
Probably up the street around the corner.
Probably, but that wasn't it.
I don't know. Hey there, mommy. Mommy. Hey, mommy.
I'm not your mother.
A big dog and Ninja Turtles.
Big Dog, Ninja Turtles. We're such weirdos with our shirts.
Oh, I have a chihuahua here. Say hi, guys. My eyes need wiping out. They're dirty. But I'm snuggling. Leave a comment.